In this video I will show you step by step how you can fix the problem when you are sending photos being low quality on WhatsApp. So if you're sending photos, videos or any sort of media on WhatsApp and it's going over and it's low quality or it's blurry, how we can fix this is if we head over to our WhatsApp. You will then need to click on settings in the bottom right hand corner, and then from here you now want to scroll down and select the option for storage and data. Once we click on this, what you will notice around the middle of the page right here, there is an option for media quality. You want to select this option, and then you've got the option for standard quality and also HD quality. Standard quality is faster to send and it's smaller file size, so this means obviously it will be lower quality. And then the HD quality is slower to send and can be 6 times larger. Obviously, the larger the file, the more high quality the file will be. So if we select HD quality, what will happen then is WhatsApp will send the files in the highest possible quality on your WhatsApp. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.